give her the name, the time, the date. They'll pick her up. They'll bring her to the barangay and she's going to explain to us why she come here last night. Don't hurt her. Morales goes to me, don't hurt her. Yeah. What? It's alright, man. I'll be here. Daddy's going to be here. What happened to the fucking concrete over there?
I don't know, Daddy.
You don't know?
Hi, Dad. Are you the suspect? Are you the one who made that? Who did that?
It's alright. Yeah. What? What?
2 months pa rin.
What?
Magka 3 months
So you
na.
told me the story? Huh? You told me? What? You told Daddy the whole story? It's alright. You're a bad woman, huh? Yeah.
Cute.
Alright.
Pugi.
Alright.
Yung video mo.
What? You will pick you up? Huh?
Sabi mo,
Bad woman last night, baby.
Your grandmother was yelling? Yeah? Your grandmother was yelling, yeah? And what were you doing? What were you doing? Drinking your milk, huh? Alright.
alis ka na dyan.
That's it. Alright. I'll cut their fucking throats. Trust me. Yeah. Yeah. No problem. I'll cut them like a fucking chicken. Yeah. It's alright. Yeah. What?
Cute.
Huh? What? Huh? What?
Call Yaya. Tell to Yaya what happened last night. Yaya. Where are you, Yaya? Please come back here. Very, very soon. Very, very soon, Yaya.
What? Yeah.
He really wants to speak.
Oh.
Ayun.
Mami
Daddy
baho.
ba?
Mami baho.
Daddy ba? Uy!
Mami baho. Mami baho.
Call Yaya. Yaya. Kapun that bad lady, Yaya. Kapun.